Hey investors, let's talk about what's been impacting the US stock market and causing all of this extreme volatility. Inflation is the main driver. We're seeing record high inflation in the US. It's the highest it's been in 40 years. And so we feel it. The prices of goods and services are extremely high right now. Another thing is oil prices. Oil prices are at record highs as well, and we're seeing this at the pump. Interest rates is the next factor. Interest rates are increasing. The US Federal Reserve just raised interest rates by 0.75%, and it is likely we're going to see more increases coming in the next few months. Supply chain issues is another one. Because of the lockdown in China, expect to see supply chain problems coming to the surface in the next few months as well. With all this, we have the US stock market going up and down. There's a lot of volatility, but not time for you to panic. Now is the time to start getting your cash ready and take advantage of the opportunities that we know is going to come. The market goes up over the long term. Make sure you're able to benefit